23 ingredients. Change your food, change your mood. Improve your mental and physical well-being with 23 Ingredients Meal Planner. Based on 50 years of revolutionary science, 23 Ingredients guides you towards improving your mental health by activating positive chemicals in the microbiome that promote mental health and well-being. Brought to you by 23zip Inc., First Food Responders, a social good venture, and under the leadership of award-winning entrepreneur Alexia Parks. On the right side of the screen, we will walk you through the app with this prototype demonstration. Upon logging in, users are greeted by a positive motivational quote of the day. From here, you will be instructed on how to create delicious meals using the 23 ingredients. Once you have enjoyed your meals, you are ready to complete daily tracking. You will identify which of the 23 ingredients you consumed across 4 categories. You will then identify how your mental well-being is across 3 categories: energy, emotions, and mental acuity. Between tracking screens, users are supported by the 23zip team with encouraging messages. Finally, if a user wishes to submit their weight, they may do so. Tracking is now complete. If you would like to write your own words of encouragement to yourself instead of the default messages provided by the 23zip team, the app supports you in doing so. Our comprehensive tracking history allows you to measure the impact and success of the 23 ingredients throughout your journey. You may filter results by day, week, or month. Experience daily health and happiness. We hope to see you here soon.